One of those foods that silently fatten your liver may be on your plate every morning. But don't worry, in this video, I reveal both shocking facts and delicious solutions. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a critical health topic, fatty liver disease. It's more prevalent than you might think. Did you know that you, or someone you know, might already have it without even realizing? That's the shocking truth. But don't worry, because the power to reverse and prevent this disease lies in something surprisingly simple: food. Forget expensive medications and complicated diets. We're going to uncover the truth about what to eat and how to make delicious, liver-loving meals. Get ready to transform your health. Fatty liver disease is essentially the buildup of excess fat in your liver. This seemingly simple issue can lead to serious consequences. Left unchecked, it can cause inflammation, scarring also known as cirrhosis, and ultimately liver failure. It's a serious condition. There are two main types: alcoholic fatty liver disease, or AFLD, caused by excessive alcohol consumption. Then there's non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, or NAFLD. NAFLD is often linked to obesity, diabetes, and you guessed it, a poor diet. The scary part? NAFLD is often asymptomatic until it reaches an advanced stage. Diet plays a huge role in both preventing and managing fatty liver disease. It's a key factor you can control. While exercise is important, diet is truly the cornerstone of a healthy liver. What you eat directly impacts your liver's health. Specific foods can reduce inflammation, improve liver function, and even help reverse existing damage. Let's explore these superfoods. Let's start with something many of you enjoy every morning: coffee. Shockingly, coffee is linked to a lower risk of fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. Coffee can help reduce liver enzyme levels and protect against overall liver damage. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day, but always listen to your body. Next up, leafy green vegetables. Think spinach, kale, and collard greens. These greens are packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. They help detoxify the liver and reduce inflammation. Try adding them to smoothies, salads, or stir-fries. Berries are another powerhouse. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are all excellent choices. Berries are bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These protect the liver from damage and improve insulin sensitivity. Enjoy them as a snack, in oatmeal, or in a smoothie. Oats and whole grains are also crucial. Oats are a great source of soluble fiber. This fiber helps lower cholesterol and improves liver function. Whole grains provide sustained energy and help regulate blood sugar levels. Examples include brown rice and quinoa. Try to avoid refined grains like white bread and pasta. Don't forget nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and chia seeds are all beneficial. They're packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber. These help reduce inflammation and improve liver enzyme levels. Walnuts in particular have liver protective properties. Add them to your snacks or meals. Olive oil, specifically extra virgin olive oil, is another liver-friendly food. It can help reduce liver fat and improve liver function. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Use it for cooking, drizzling over salads, or as a dip. Garlic is also a great addition to your diet. It can help reduce liver fat and improve liver enzyme levels. Incorporate garlic into your cooking or consider a supplement, but consult your doctor first. Avocados are another fantastic choice. They're full of healthy fats and antioxidants. Avocados protect the liver, lower cholesterol, and improve liver function. Add them to salads, toast, or use them as a dip. Finally, let's talk about fatty fish. Salmon, tuna, and mackerel are excellent options. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory and can help reduce liver fat and improve liver function. Aim for at least 2 servings per week. Now, let's discuss foods to avoid. Processed foods are a major culprit. They're often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives. Sugary drinks are also a big problem. Soda, juice, and sweetened beverages are loaded with fructose. Excessive alcohol should be avoided or consumed in moderation, with your doctor's approval. Fried foods are high in unhealthy fats. They can worsen liver inflammation. Limit your intake of red meat due to its saturated fat content. These dietary changes can make a significant difference. Let's put this all together with some meal ideas. For breakfast, try oatmeal with berries and nuts. A spinach and egg omelette is another great option. Or blend a smoothie with greens, fruit, and protein powder. For lunch, consider a salad with grilled chicken or fish. Lentil soup is a healthy and filling choice. A whole grain wrap with avocado and vegetables is also a good option. For dinner, try baked salmon with roasted vegetables. A stir-fry with tofu and brown rice is a delicious and healthy meal. Chicken and vegetable stew is another great choice. Here are some helpful tips. Always read food labels carefully. Cook at home more often to control ingredients. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. And most importantly, consult with a doctor or registered dietitian for personalized advice. They can help you create a plan that's right for you. Fatty liver disease is a serious condition, but it's also controllable. The power of diet and lifestyle changes cannot be overstated. You have the ability to make a positive impact on your liver health. Start today. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information. And let us know in the comments, what are your favorite liver-loving foods? Remember, your liver is your friend, so treat it right. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips. Follow us on social media for daily inspiration. Now we come to foods that cause fatty liver. Are you ready to uncover a hidden danger lurking in your everyday diet? Burgers, pizza, US sugary drinks, and processed snacks, they might taste good, but they could be silently destroying your liver. Fatty liver disease is a growing epidemic, affecting millions worldwide. The shocking truth is that what you eat can have a devastating impact on your liver health. Ignoring this silent killer can lead to severe consequences. Liver failure, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer are all potential outcomes. But there's hope. In its early stages, fatty liver disease is often reversible. This video will expose the shocking foods fueling this silent killer. Prepare to be surprised and empowered to take control of your health. Hepatic steatosis, or fatty liver disease, is characterized by excess fat buildup in the liver. It's more common than you might think. A small amount of fat in the liver is normal. However, when fat accumulation exceeds 5 to 10% of the liver's weight, it becomes dangerous. This excess fat can lead to inflammation and scarring. Over time, it can cause serious health problems. Sugar is a major culprit in the development of fatty liver disease. The liver plays a crucial role in converting excess sugar, especially fructose, into fat. Sugary drinks are liquid sugar bombs that overload the liver with fructose. Sodas, fruit juices, and energy drinks are prime examples. Even natural fruit juices can be surprisingly high in sugar. Energy drinks are another source of concentrated sugar that should be avoided. Processed foods are often loaded with added sugars. Candy, baked goods, breakfast cereals, and packaged snacks are common offenders. It's crucial to check labels for hidden sugars. Look out for ingredients like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, dextrose, and maltose. Flavored yogurts often seem healthy, but they can be deceptively high in sugar. Sauces like ketchup and BBQ sauce can also contain significant added sugar. Be mindful of the sugar content in your food choices. Fructose, in particular, poses a significant risk to your liver health. Refined carbohydrates are stripped of fiber and nutrients. This leads to rapid blood sugar spikes. The liver works overtime to process excess glucose. It converts the extra glucose into fat, contributing to fatty liver disease. White bread, pasta, and rice are quickly broken down into glucose. Baked goods like cakes, cookies, and pastries are a double whammy with refined carbs and added sugars. Many breakfast cereals are also high in refined carbs and added sugars. These seemingly convenient options can be detrimental to your liver health. Choosing whole grain alternatives is essential. Whole grains provide fiber and nutrients that help regulate blood sugar levels. Make the switch to whole wheat bread, brown rice, and whole grain pasta. Your liver will thank you for it. Unhealthy fats contribute to inflammation and fat buildup in the liver. Saturated and trans fats are particularly harmful. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and hot dogs are high in saturated fat and sodium. These should be consumed sparingly, if at all. Fried foods, such as French fries and fried chicken, are loaded with unhealthy fats. Deep-fried foods are especially problematic. Excessive consumption of red meat can also contribute to fatty liver. Limit your intake of beef, pork, and lamb. Full-fat dairy products can be high in saturated fat. Opt for low-fat or non-fat alternatives. Highlight healthy fats, like those in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats can actually be beneficial for your overall health. Excessive alcohol consumption is a major cause of alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's a leading factor in liver damage. Even moderate drinking can contribute to fatty liver, especially with other dietary risk factors. It's important to be mindful of your alcohol intake. Consider reducing or eliminating alcohol consumption altogether. Your liver will appreciate the break. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. For women, this means no more than 1 drink per day. For men, it's no more than 2 drinks per day. Remember, alcohol can have a significant impact on your liver health. Make informed choices about your consumption. Let's recap the key takeaways. Avoid sugar, refined carbs, unhealthy fats, and excessive alcohol. Make informed choices about the foods you eat. Reduce your intake of harmful foods to improve your liver health. Take control of your health today. Your liver will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This helps us create more content like this. Consult with a doctor or registered dietitian for personalized advice. They can help you develop a plan to improve your liver health.